Hello children, you have learned to read and write words with vowel sound A. Today we will do an activity with these words and I know that all of you like to do activities. Am I right? Okay children, this activity is another form of dictation. In this activity, I will show you some pictures one by one and you will write words for these pictures. So, why wait? Let's begin. Dear children, I will show you 10 pictures for this activity. So, write down numbers 1 to 10 like this in your notebooks. Here is the first picture. Everyone, write down the name for this picture. Now, look at the second picture. Write down its name. Okay? Here is the next picture. Yes, write down its name. Should I show the next picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next picture is here. Now, let's move to the next picture. Children, write down its name. The next one is, children, do you know what is this?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Write down. The next one is, have you written? So, look at the next picture. Well, we have written 8 words. The ninth picture is here. And this is the last one. Now let's check your words. I will show you the words one by one and you will check them. Put a tick for the right one and a cross for the wrong one. The first word was tap. T-A-P or T-A-P, tap. The next was man. M-and, man. The next word hat. H-A-T, hat. The fourth word was jam. J-A-M, jam. And the next word was tag. T-A-G, tag. Now check the next one. Car. C-A-R, car. Yes, the next word was wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Nail. N-A-I-L, nail. And the last was cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Now count your score and practice to write the words that are wrong. Keep learning and have a nice day. Thank you.